MSI Mag 27CQ6F Monitor Review. Best 27-inch curved QHD monitor for gaming and work. If you want a 27-inch gaming monitor with sharp QHD resolution and a fast 180Hz refresh rate, the MSI Mag 27CQ6F could be a great budget-friendly option. But is it also suitable for everyday work? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The MAG 27CQ6F features a 27-inch rapid VA panel with a 2560 by 1440 resolution and a 1500R curve. This gives you more detail than a full HD monitor while adding a more immersive feel for gaming. Its biggest highlight is the 180Hz refresh rate. Along with acclaimed 0.5 milliseconds GTG response time, it supports AMD FreeSync and Adaptive Sync, which can help reduce screen tearing and stuttering. When paired with compatible hardware, the VA panel offers a 5000:1 contrast ratio and 300 net typical brightness. MSI also lists HDR-ready support and 105% sRGB coverage, making it suitable for gaming and general multimedia use. Connectivity is straightforward. You get one DisplayPort 1.4, two HDMI 2.0 B ports, and a headphone output. DisplayPort supports 1440p at up to 180 Hz, while HDMI can reach up to 144 Hz. The monitor can also support 1440p at 120 Hz on compatible PS5 and Xbox Series X setups. There are some compromises. The included stand only provides tilt adjustment, so there's no height, swivel, or pivot adjustment. You also don't get USB ports, and because this is a VA panel, some fast dark scenes can show more motion smearing than a good IPS monitor. For gaming, though, the combination of QHD resolution, 180 Hz, high contrast, and a curved screen makes it a strong all-round choice. So, is it worth buying? If you want smooth 1440p gaming without spending heavily, the MAG 27CQ6F is a solid option. But competitive gamers who prioritize maximum motion clarity may prefer an IPS alternative. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your thoughts on the MSI MAG 27CQ6F.